Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tarikaremba. You know the vibes already. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. As you can tell from the title, we're doing our hair today, and I must say we look good. Okay, so I'm going for the whole 90s bohemian braid vibe. I know it looks like a 90s vibe, but basically these are the kind of braids that Ryan Destiny does. I won't send your pic here, but yeah, so it's not exactly goddess braids, because of course goddess braids have curly bits sticking out, whereas these bits are just wavy. So that is really the main difference. But of course I have gone in with a different color so you guys can see it on a different color, and just because it's hot now, I deserve to add a pop of color into my life. Anyway, before we get into it, what braiding hair did I use? I used the Expression braiding hair in the color 340 or 340. I used 4 packets that I cut into 3 sections, and then for the weave that I included in all of this, I used the Magic Brazilian Classic, and that was in the color number 33. So yeah, what I realized was that color 33 was not matching with color 33 on the braid. So the weave color 33 and the braid color 33 are different. So that's why I went for color 340, and as you can see, it was the perfect match. So yeah, how long did it take me to do? Actually not long. This was the fastest braiding style I've done all year, but I think it's also because I'm now accustomed to doing my braids again, so there's that. But in total I'd say it took me about, with no stops, I'd say in total it was 6 hours, but obviously, you know, I was stopping in between. I was like, you know, cooking, I was eating, I was chilling, I had date night, like a lot was going on. But yeah, anyway, let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe.
That you need, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million. You give me a really good feeling.
Okay guys, so let's get started. I'm gonna put my glasses on just now, but we're going in with the Expression in color 340. And then we're going in with the Magic Brazilian, Classic Brazilian hair. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So obviously, because we're going for the whole 90s vibe, I didn't want like curly hair. I had to find something wavy so we could get the vibes. Yeah, hopefully it works out. So I've already pre-stretched my hair. So this is what the color looks like outside the packet. Yeah, it's a really nice brown, and I think I actually got a really good match. So yeah, this is you know, slightly darker, but it was the closest I could find, because the weave is color 33, but then color 33 was like way off. So yeah, 340 it is. And then of course, you know the vibes, we need rubber bands. So these are from Discam, and today we're going in with the Vida edge control. Okay, so we're ready to start, and as usual I'm going to start by putting some edge control on my baby hairs, because they are fragile and I don't want them to get caught up in the braids, because yo, it really hurts when that happens. And my hairline is just too precious, guys. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do. So I have separated my baby hairs from the rest of my hair, and now we can start. So on this side, I'm thinking of doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I'm gonna do 4, 4, and then here I usually do about 6. I'm gonna try to do 8 along the front part. So yeah. So I'm just going to cover the braids, my hair completely in the edge control, because that's going to make it easier to hide and blend into my braid. So now taking the rubber band, I'm just going to apply it.
I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't.
And the second one.
Do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can.
And then we're taking some of that braiding hair. So not too much. Okay, I'm taking my braiding hair like this. And then I'm actually going to split it into 2. Like so. And then I'm gonna join the 2 like so. So we have this link in the middle. And then I'm taking my crochet hook. And I'm just gonna put through like so. And then I'm going to attach my hair and close, then pull it through like so. And in the meantime, I'm also just going to remove that and open it up so I can cut it. Here, like so. And then I'm just gonna pull aside a few pieces. So this is how big the pieces are gonna be. So once that's ready, I'm taking one side and I'm just gonna wrap it around. So the reason I'm wrapping it is because that helps it to be more secure. And then I'm splitting it into 3, and then I'm going to start plaiting.
Your love, your love, it goes on.
You can see it's really secure. And I'm just going to plait it down.
All day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me, between me.
And then when I've plaited it a bit, like so, then I'm going in with my little piece that's going to be sticking out. And then I'm just going to attach it to one of the braids and start plaiting, like so. And then after I've plaited it a little bit, then I have to pull it out, and I'm just gonna put it in my mouth. Okay, and then I can leave it once that's done and keep plaiting. Like so. And then before the braid starts thinning out, I'm going to add another piece of braiding hair. Then I'm just going to take it and line it up with the bottom like so, and then I'm just gonna keep plaiting like everything is normal. Okay, and then as we get to the bottom, we're going to attach another piece which is going to be at the end. So again, you're just going to line it up and plait like normal.
It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly.
And then when I get to this point, then I like to actually just tie it as a knot into each other. And then once I have the knot, then I'm going in with some nail glue. And I'm just gonna put it on like so. I'm just gonna let that dry, but basically that's it. We're done with the first braid, and there's your little bit sticking out. So I'm just gonna put a bit of that edge control just so it like looks more together. So there you have it. Let's go to the next one.
World, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny.
Okay guys, so as you can see, I've made a lot of progress and finished the rest of my head. So now I'm just gonna come and do these last two braids.
Give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else knows what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I want you in my world, don't you understand? Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give
Okay guys, so we're done. I'm just gonna take this out. Okay, so we're done, and I love these braids, guys. The color, this is definitely a great choice on my part. Love to see it. Okay, so
I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is one in a million. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
and then of course I need to put some on my end.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Edges, I'm going in with the Soften Free Styling Gel. So this is what it looks like. There you go. And an edge brush, finally.
Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay guys, so we're back now with a face, but would you look at that hair? Guys, I actually did a thing with this hair. The color is perfect. It's perfect. Honestly, color 340 is my new favorite brown. Okay, because what do you even mean? Well, like, what do you mean? Yo, yeah, no. This definitely came out really well. Super excited about that. And yeah, no, I can't stop looking at myself. Also, you know, the beauty is beautying. But yeah, no, guys, this is basically how everything came out. I hope you found this video useful. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe.
So fly.